Habakaran hakani ka jingelang ban kitbok yakin dong yashim benta hak Rynsan ya jingi ne ka swimming tournament kaban long ha Bangalore uba John F Kharshiiing uba long president ka Meghalaya State Olympic Association ula kentu yakik me kikpa bakin penslor yakikun ban pentebet yala de hakit sports namar naga jingrai ka cabinet meeting kabala penlong ha ubanai jeliu arajar khat khandai hatura ya kabala pelaj paj bapat ha ubanai na opra arjar khat khandai kalarai bayaki Nongjop haki Rynsan sport national level kajing itu ne kajing ai bura miki bayo takma kser kanlong nrupho haja tingka yaki bawan ra takma rupa kinyo saupho haja tingka bat yaki bawan ra takma nong kinyo arpusan haja tingka.
Thank you for inviting me here to be part of this send-off, and I would like to actually also especially congratulate all the parents, because without the parents encouragement, the children will not be here, right? So congratulations to the parents, congratulations to the athletes who will be going and representing Meghalaya. We also acknowledge our General Secretary, Mr. Chiranjeev Chowdhury, who is also here from the MSOA, and other members of the media who are covering this program. From my part, I would only like to say this, that as mentioned by others, today Meghalaya has turned a new chapter in sports with the notification of the sports policy. Meghalaya has turned a new chapter, and the impact of it will be understood in the years to come. So I want you to know that the Meghalaya government had notified the sports policy, approved the sports policy in June, on 10 June 2019, in their sitting in the cabinet sitting in Tura. It was notified in the Gazette on 12 December 2019. We, the MSOA, wanted to create a lot of awareness, and I'm taking an opportunity to create an awareness on this matter. We are thankful to the government having finally approved a sports policy, and I would urge all the parents to kindly go through the sports policy so that you will also understand that there's now a career path for all the sports persons, including the athletes. I would request you to also read carefully the sports policy. In the earlier days, we were giving 7,500 to all the medal winners, gold. Today, as per the sports policy, it is 60,000 if you win a national medal, a gold medal. So keep that in mind. Now you're going for the nationals, juniors, sub-junior and seniors. That is Meghalaya sports policy. If you win a silver, it is 40,000. If you win a bronze, it is 25,000. And there are other incentives, many incentives here mentioned in the sports policy.